Hi everyone, welcome back to my chemistry lessons. My name is Rachel, and this is our very first lesson on this channel. Today, we are going to be talking about introduction to chemistry, and I just decided that before we do the heavy lifting, the solving, all of that, let's get back to the basics. Let's talk about what chemistry is, its branches, its importance. It's a topic that always reoccurs, so you definitely want to pay attention to this one. Let's start with the definition of chemistry. What is chemistry? Chemistry is a branch of science that studies matter, that is its composition, its structure, its properties, and how it changes from one form to another. So let's break that down. So what chemistry basically does is it studies matter. So by composition, we just was simply saying that chemistry studies what matter is made of. Okay, what matter is made of. By structure, we're saying that chemistry is basically studying how matter is arranged. How matter is arranged. The properties is how matter behaves. So the behavior of matter. And by the changes that it undergoes, we're simply saying how it changes from one form to another. So chemistry is just basically studying matter, that is how chemistry is arranged, how it behaves, how it changes from one form to another, what it is made of. That is simply chemistry. And once you have these keywords that I've underlined right here, you are good to go, honestly. And you might ask, what is this matter that we are talking about? Matter is simply anything that has mass and occupies space. So examples of matter include the air, your body, your water bottle, your wristwatch. Anything that has mass and occupies space is matter. Moving on to the branches of chemistry, we have five major branches, and they are organic, inorganic, physical, analytical, and biochemistry. And they're pretty straightforward actually. Organic chemistry is simply deals with the study of carbon compounds, and this includes petroleum, plastics, and so on. Inorganic chemistry deals with the study of non-carbon compounds. For non-carbon compounds, we have acids, bases, salts, metals, and so on. And physical chemistry, so this deals with energy changes and processes during chemical reactions. So it's a branch of chemistry that studies energy changes and the processes during chemical reactions. And this focuses on the heat, rate of reaction, equilibrium during chemical reactions. And we have analytical chemistry, which is the branch of science that deals with identifying substances and determining its constituents. That's determining what it is made of. Okay. So, analytical chemistry can be applied in laboratories, in drug testing, quality control, basically anything that deals with analyzing a constituent or analyzing a substance rather and determining the constituent of that substance. It's all in the name. And lastly, we have biochemistry. Okay, biochemistry is the branch of science that deals with the chemistry of living things. So think enzymes, blood, digestion, photosynthesis. That is all under biochemistry. Moving on to the importance of chemistry. So some of the importance of chemistry include the production of drugs and medicines. So every drug you take, every drug that is prescribed to you, chemistry was very, very important and essential in the production of all those drugs. Food processing and preservation, so your canned foods, any method that you use to preserve food, chemistry is definitely applied, and it is so important in that. Agriculture, that is the production of fertilizers and pesticides, manufacturing of soap, cement, petroleum products, plastics, fuels, and the rest. So important. And environmental protection. So let's look at some examples of chemistry in our everyday lives. So these are the importance of chemistry, but we can also see chemistry in our everyday lives, like for example, cooking. So cooking of food is a chemical process. Digestion is a chemical process as well. Roasting is a chemical reaction. And for example, when you want to wash your hands, the soap reacts with the dirt, and that is a chemical reaction. So those are simple examples of chemistry that we see in our everyday lives. So I know you can think of some. So feel free to comment one down. So one example of chemistry that you see in your everyday life, comment it down below. Let's summarize everything that we've learned today. Chemistry is the study of the constituents, structure, and the properties of matter and the changes that it undergoes. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Chemistry has five major different branches: organic, inorganic, physical, analytical, and biochemistry. And chemistry is so important in our day to day life and it's applied everywhere. Okay, that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two. Comment down below what you would like to see next, which topic you would like to learn. Subscribe, turn on your notifications, like this video, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Bye.